So I lost a bunch of footage on the GoPro. For some reason or another, it wasn't recording. I got some of my voice captured, but not much of the footage showed up. I don't quite understand what happened on that one, but it was just after I got this battens all on the porch here. And we'd had some beautiful weather. We had 3 days of above freezing weather. Unfortunately, I got the deck a mess again because I'm doing some insulation on the inside, as you'll see in future clips here. But in the previous videos, I made a comment about lying to you guys about our winter not going away, and we ended up with 3 days of above freezing. One, in fact, hit 43. That's where all the clips previous to this one came in at, with the deer roaming around and me getting the rest of the battens on. But it rained and a lot of snow melted. And then, unfortunately, as you'll see from the future clips, the other shoe dropped and it snowed on us a little bit, freezing rain. You name it, we kind of went through everything. Minnesota had their first confirmed tornado touchdown in December. All kinds of different stuff happening in the weather. Now our temperatures right now are supposed to only get up to 18 degrees today. Let me tell you, it was quite chilly this morning. This is what I got done on the battens. Got all them on. The ceiling, of course, is in from the last video because currently I'm running this rigid insulation on the interior, as you'll see from the upcoming clips, trying to get some more in the ceiling where I can. My chimney still hasn't come in. I'm hoping that'll come in here shortly. Well, we're getting some pretty decent winds here today, and a bunch of snow again. I guess it's just making up for the last 3 days of being unseasonably warm and melting what had come off that last one. So once again, we'll see how much snow we get out of this and how long it lasts. A little view from the loft on the back side. Guys, I'm just putting some of this foil-faced rigid insulation in between the nailers, just to add a little R value to the walls. I think this gives me, let's see, R5, and then I'll put fiberglass, R19 fiberglass or R21 to fill up the rest of the cavity. So I still got 5.5 inches here. Just waiting on my chimney pipe to get here. I had to order all the material for the chimney. The boot, the plenum that goes through the ceiling, and then all the single wall for the interior and the triple wall for the exterior. So in the process, I'm just using this gravity fed garbage can heater, and then I'm using that little Sun Life fan to kind of move the air around. It's taking the chill off in here because currently it's only about 14 degrees. It was 5 degrees when I got up this morning, so kind of cool outside. But definitely with the heater going, definitely heating it up a little bit in here. And the more insulation I get in, the better I'll be. I gotta get a ladder. Just trying to crawl up this scaffolding back and forth, measuring and cutting and then coming down. It's just too much. I'm gonna see if I can find a 10 or 12 foot step ladder. We'll take this down and just use a step ladder in here. I think it'll be a lot easier. at least until the tongue and groove goes up. So anyhow, that's all I'm doing right now is starting to fill the walls with that, because I need that in there before I put my wiring in, or I'll be fighting with the wiring trying to get that behind. Kids are out playing this morning. Okay guys, got a little bit in. A lot of cutting in between them nailers. That'll be the first layer of insulation. And then, like I said earlier, there'll be a R19 batt insulation over that, fiberglass. And then of course our vapor barrier. So it should take nothing to heat this place. So anyhow, this is the game plan. I said it before in one of the videos, but I put those channels on the back side to create the air barrier in between the heated or conditioned space on the inside and the roof decking. It helps longevity of the shingles. Otherwise, that's what they consider a hot roof, where your insulation is directly against the roof. Never a good thing there. So anyhow, I will continue on with this, and then with luck one of my lovely brother-in-laws will stop by and give me a hand on that side, so I don't have to go up and down that scaffolding so often. Well, I guess that's probably enough for this video, but anyhow, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays here. And we'll talk to everybody on the next one. Until then, stay safe and take care, everyone. Woo-wee! The out the back door temperature is only 12 degrees, but it feels like 3. And we got some late snow coming down this morning. The high today is expected to be 18, so we'll see if we make it that high. Sure is pretty out there though. Another little building I got to get rid of.